Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to create a playlist on Apple Music. To do this you have just to go to Apple Music, open it. After that go to Library, go to Playlists, and after that click on the plus button on the top of the screen and click on Create New Playlist. Here you can put a picture for your playlist and you have to name that playlist. For example, I will name it YouTube. YouTube. And you can choose if your playlist will be shown on your profile and in search or not. So after that, you have just to click on the OK button, on the right button on the top right of the screen, and your playlist is created and you can start adding music to it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video. If you have any question, just put it in the comment section and I will be sure to answer it. And see you in the next video.